awesome! Step 1. Draw a rectangle. The top and bottom are slightly curved out. Step 2. Draw a curved line. The top should look like an eclipse. Step 3. Draw a half circle. Step 4. Draw a second half circle, this one smaller inside the first one. Step 5. Draw a curved line. Step 6. Create a cute face. It can be any kind of face, but you can always copy mine if you don't know what to do. Step 7. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a cute coffee mug. Well, if you want to learn more, check my channel and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!